Hello! To change system colors on your Samsung Galaxy A06, first you have to press and hold home screen. Then you select wallpaper and style, and from here you go into color palette. You press it and select color palette, you enable it, and from here you can select wallpaper colors, any that you would like, and you can also select some basic colors, like it. And you can also apply palette to app icons. So the app icons also would actually change the color. So let's apply. It takes a while to apply the whole changes. And after that, as you can see, the colors are changed to app icons and the whole actually system. Simple as that. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.